Seriously, Patricia? You know, had I known your people were this incompetent, I would have gotten my own even if it meant going broke. Sheesh, random people off the street would have done better. Yeah. Di dapat makita ni Era at Lilet si Kanhor. Pag nalaman nilang totoo, well, that's game over for me. No second chances, no cleanup crew. Everything I've worked for, poof, gone. Just like that.
May mga inasikaso pa kasi ako sa PAO, tapos nasiraan pa yung nabook ko na ride. Pero nandito na rin naman ako.
It's okay, Lilet. May pinuntahan din naman si Renan saglit. Magkita na lang tayo sa lobby.
Sige, dito na lang ako maghintay.
Lilet! Lilet!
Sis pa naman ka, Noy?
May sapusa ka rin matanda ka eh, no? Tapos nahabulan natin ngayon, tanda!
Ano po yun? Ano nangyari?
Damn it! Ang tatanga ng mga tao mo, Patricia!